Hi everybody, and welcome to another edition of Pomona Southside Historical Society. I'm Ren, and today we're going to be talking about the Mayfair Hotel. Now, I was there in the beginning of the restoration of the hotel, so I'm going to start off with some pictures and a tour with John and Judy. And it's also going to be Juan and Susie Thorpe of the Bunny Gunner. They're also included on this little tour that we're going to take. And I don't know I don't know if it was just a private showing or if it was kind of like an open house. He invited people to come and see. But anyway, we went over there and he gave us a little tour. And but let me give you a little history about the hotel here. Now, the hotel began as the Avis in 1915. And then became the Edgar during the 1920s before joining the Mayfair chain in 1932. Edgar was the first name that was put on the blade sign. The Avis was the work of an architectural firm, Meyer and Haller, which also designed Guam's Chinese and Egyptian theaters in Hollywood and the Alex Theater in Glendale. So the people who built the Mayfair knew what they were doing. So, that's just a little history there. And like I said, John and Judy, what a great couple. Really love those two. They're there in the beginning of the the video there. God, if I could, I would adopt those two. Really nice people. I really liked, enjoyed their company on that little tour that they gave. But anyway, okay, let's go ahead and start with the pictures, and let's listen to John, what he's got to say about what's going to take place inside the Mayfair. And like I said, this is in the beginning, so it's all open, and so anyway, here we go. Check it out.
All the way here, and the kitchen is back there, the apartments.
Nice.
And the problem we have is this step. So we got to level that off here.
So you don't want that sunken.
And the next problem we have is this beam and that beam. It's too low. Not enough space here. We're gonna weld from here up this way.
Okay.
Then we're gonna put that kind of steel up here and bolt to that beam, and then we're going to cut the beam. This is one of the retail places, and this guy is a computer repairman, and he sells computers. And he was our first tenant to sign up. And these ovens and stoves and so forth be back there. Someplace about here is going to be a service counter for the waitresses to do things.
Mm-hmm. Galley.
And I think we're having 7 different kinds of draft beer.
Oh my God.
And the drafts are down there, and they feed the bar, and they come up here, so the waitresses can serve beer directly out of the drafts. They don't have to ask for it from the bar.
That's like in Savannah. There's a Moon River Brewing Company there. They do the same thing.
Yeah.
You have all the kegs down below in the basement.
And it comes out. this is all going to come down. And in here there'll be bathrooms, male and female. And if you come here, and next week they're going to bring from the roof a machine down in there to drill out in that square that's down there for the shaft that pushes the elevator up and back.
Big elevator, huh?
The new elevator has to be big enough to carry a gurney.
Oh, okay.
So it's a big elevator. Now, over there, we have the stairway that goes up to the roof. And if you look up here, there's a beam where you see 2 floors, and the cashiers was going to put the restaurant on this end so they could go out there and have an area for people to smoke.
Oh,
And we don't tell them they can't. We tell them they can't smoke.
that's right.
I like the watchdog.
And I was originally going to put a stairway outside and come down from the outside. And I got argued against that. So, in this corner, we're going to put a stage. Okay? This is all bar.
You have that TV.
Then I told you upstairs it's going to move down and it comes right down here. And then you come in and here's the bar is going to go right here with the pizza oven right on this here.
Nice, John. That's what we
The
need.
refrigeration system and cases of beer in here.
Is that right?
So the case of beer will be in here in the refrigerator.
Great.
And then we have walk-in boxes there for storage for upstairs and downstairs. Here's our electrical panels and our telephone panels. What Judy was talking about is that post, we had to hammer away the concrete down there, put rebar in here. So this concrete now, this concrete's new. And at this point, from that corner to this corner, it's brand new, and it all is rebarred to that beam.
Well, I just, yes.
Now that was quite an experience going through the Mayfair Hotel before they actually got started in restoring it. And I want to thank John and Judy for that tour. And I'm going to leave you here with a couple pictures and video where they're installing the shaft for the elevator. Now the first 2 pictures you're going to see are the drilling bits that are laying on the back of a flatbed pickup truck that they use to drill down and make the hole for the shaft to go down into. And then you're going to see the crane lifting the shaft up onto on the roof and then down into the building. Okay, and like always, you're welcome to join me in these little ventures that I take, exploring Pomona's history. And I'm going to have a lot more about Mayfair Hotel. I've got plenty of pictures and videos to share with you. Okay, like always, you take care, and you take care of those ones you love. Thank you. Thank you very much.